Welcome to 8436 Fanita Drive. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is nestled on a private cul de sac in the foothills of Santee. This home has a cute front yard, lots of grass, completely fenced off. And as we enter the home, immediately to the right, we have a coat closet. This home comes with a lot of storage. And we'll go ahead and head into the living room, which is very large and has this beautiful window that faces the east so you can see the mountains. Also a fireplace and a ceiling fan. And just to the left of that, we have your dining room, very large. And right around the corner, we have your beautiful kitchen. Very open, very bright. Appliances included. Lots of cabinet space. And right outside of the kitchen, we have your 2-car garage. And inside your garage, you have your washer and dryer. Now we'll head back into the home. And down the hall. Again, we are back at the front door. And immediately to your right, you have another closet for more storage. And to your right down the hall, you have your first bathroom. Very spacious and well lit. And we'll continue down the hall, where again to your left, we have even more storage. And then another full closet for storage. We'll continue down and move to the left, where we have your master suite. This room is large enough to fit a king-size bed. Mirrored closets. And as we head this way, you will find your bathroom. Again, very well lit, very bright and roomy. And as we leave your master, across the way we have your second bedroom. Large enough for a king-size bed. And here's the closet. A little step-in with some built-in shelving. All right, and moving along, we head back down the hall to your third and final bedroom. Big enough for a king or a queen with lots of extra space. Mirrored closets again. And this room also has a little cove area, perfect for a desk or seating area. And the last great thing about this home is right outside the garage, there is a beautiful viewpoint, and I will take you there now. Here we are again, back to the front of the house, where you can see your private driveway You are at the very end of a cul de sac. And here we are, a beautiful seating area right outside your home with views of all of Santee and the mountains facing the east.